The return. Morning. Figured I'd do a quiet version. Figured we'd talk a little bit of this out. What do you think so far, man? Start your day off on a savory note and add your own eggs to this perfectly spiced stew of tomatoes and peppers. Adding tahini, hummus, or feta right before serving makes this even more irresistible. Here we are. Episode 8. Got my coffee here. These cooking instructions are for a 1200 watts oven. Puncture film 3 to 4 times before heating. Heat on high for 3 minutes. Partially peel back film and stir. Recover and heat for an additional 2 minutes. Peel back film, stir, make 2 pockets with the back of a spoon and add 2 fresh eggs. Recover and cook for 2 to 2.5 minutes to cook eggs to desired doneness. Sunny side up. What is it desired doneness? Raw. Here we go. Meat sauce. Vegetarian. I can hear the neighbors. But I got my Shakshouka here. What are you doing, Stomper? Oh my god. Mix all that shit in there. Fucking Shakshouka. There's no meat in this at all. No meat. Trader Joe's Trio. Number 3. This is not a good on-the-go breakfast because it's ripping hot. It's just ripping hot. between the coffee and the tomatoes, my stomach is on fire right now. Oh, I love it. We brought our own eggs. The Trader Joe's trio. All the way home. 2 more episodes to the end of season 1. Vote your favorite. Let me know what you think. Rate, review, and subscribe. Do the damn deed. Honestly, I feel like I'm eating marinara sauce. So, I'm not gonna finish this. I'm gonna go eat Cheerios for breakfast instead. But stay tuned. This is definitely not dank though, so.
Not dank, not dank, not dank, not dank, not dank, not dank.
ASMR. This should sound a lot better. Oh, for sure. That's a lot. Yeah. Very fucking cool. Very fucking cool. Welcome to the show. Woo! It is about to be June. This was shot in fucking November. So we'll pick up there. I'll talk through the last 6 months. That'll be what we do for the After the Beeps fucking first 3 months. I'm not going to do that. That's a terrible idea. Just going to be me playing with my doohickeys. This is the latest doohickey. Ready? It's the show when I get to go, and this has effects that actually work, and a volume button I cannot work. Where's the fucking volume button? You feel me right now? Yeah. Oh, that's as loud as it goes. Run that shit.
Microwave.
I don't even know. That Shakshouka video, though, that was awe-inspiring for me, man. I finally finished editing it, and I was like, ah, shit. I missed some stuff. So I had to spend another hour on it. And I was like, ah, shit. What I'm saying after this doesn't make any sense anymore. So I'm going to talk about something else. And, new rig, new microphone, well, new interface, a couple new things. And hopefully next time you see me, on the big screen, on your interface, on your interwebs, be a new little studio from where you're hearing me right now. And no new gear, no new microwave, no new microwave meals right now either. There's nothing in the fridge or in the freezer, basically, other than like delis of buttercream frosting and chocolate crepes, and there's some eggs too, but nothing to microwave right now. So I got nothing to tell you about that. I haven't really been using it. What if we did like a video of microwave hunting, where I go to every store I can find? Oh no, just a video of me trying to get the microwave back to the apartment on my front rack of my bike. That'd be fun. We could try attaching a GoPro, like a rod with the GoPro facing me, so you have the microwave in frame on the bottom. Hello?
Longest night of my life.
There's sausage ready for you.
What?
I said there's sausage ready for you.
Yay, this sandwich has saved my fucking life. I
Yeah.
don't know what I would have done without it.
Did you eat?
I love you.
Did you eat those nuts too?
No, I'm saving them because they're so yummy. I'm saving them for my work snack.
Oh, you're saving the nuts for later.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
I'm sorry I'm running so late.
It's 11:30. Come on.
It's crazy. I can't believe I left this late. I feel insane.
You are insane. Hurry up.
I'm coming.
Your dog doesn't know where you are. She's confused.
Oh, she just sleeping.
She's been being weird. All right, I'll see you when you get home.
Okay, I love you. Bye.
All right, love you. Bye. I wasn't kidding. She was gone. It's ridiculous. What am I going to do? My whole night is thrown off. I got thrown off my rhythm. It sucks that, like, people are trying to cancel John Mulaney, but I feel like I make references to him on the daily. So, fuck me, right? All that was very true, though. There are sausage, and I gave her nuts earlier. The nuts were candied, and the sausage is roasted. Where do we go from here? I'm cooking this. We're taking this way too slow. I'm cooking this. Smiling from ear to ear. I'm cooking corn. Breathing has got too loud. I'm really full. Show me the way to brunch. Across the street. Show me the place you sit. Your favorite booth. Fuck it, let's get a mimosa. I'm feeling brunch. Now, take me to get ice cream. Right after brunch. One of my best ideas is a Tame Impala. A parody? Tame Impala parody band, but all the songs are related and written all about hyperhidrosis. So really sweaty hands, sweaty palms. What else is hyperhidrosis? You just like everything. You're always wet. And everything Kevin Parker does is really wet, so it would work really well. You know, like I haven't done anything from the new record, but like wait, what's the first word to let it happen? My armpits are always wet and it's moist and it's gonna drench you all if you don't wear non-porous equipment. When I'm sweating, your clothes won't hold it back, 'cause when I'm sweating, all this pouring on out. Fuck, I can't. Do 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 bum ba dum boom 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 boom. It's so long until the first words of that song. I'd have to mouth it all. I'm gonna try a shorter band. I should try like punk songs for something else. Parody bands though, that's the next wave. Like when Weird Al got famous, we're coming into that again, full circle. But it's gonna be Foo Fighter parody bands. Call them Foo. What's the opposite of a fighter? I don't know. A pacer. Doo-doo pacers. We're called the Doo-doo Pacers. It's like, it'll be like folky bluegrass parodies of Foo Fighter songs. This has gone really nowhere fast, so tune in next week to see what doesn't get done for 30 minutes. And a video. We got another video. And it's done. That's the best part. Is that I can comfortably say that they will actually come out now. So, fuck you, Adam. Peace. Just kidding. I love you, bro.